Hello, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and today we are working on week 4 of the Art Journaling Page Challenge. If you are new, welcome, and if you are coming back to play, welcome back. Now, Madison, my daughter, picked the colors this week, and we are using deep violet, coppery orange, and white. I love that Madison picks my colors for us because it keeps it interesting, right? So for example, this week, as soon as I saw those colors, I thought, easy, Halloween, right? Fall, orange, purple, leaves, like all that came to mind, but I wasn't in the mood. We're in summer right now, and I just wasn't feeling fall crafting. So I thought, well, how do I craft with these colors and not make it look Halloweeny? So that's where the challenge came in. I didn't have all the exact same colors, so I came as close as I could, and I mixed different products, which is always fun, right? When you play with your supplies and see how they interact with one another. So let's get ready to craft along. I hope you will work along with us and that you join the challenge. If you have any questions about the challenge or any of the products that I'm using, I am putting all that information in the description box, so please be sure to check that out. All right, let's get to crafting. And with the splatters done, I will consider this page finished. Now, I did run it to the photocopier and I copied it, but at 100% I lost one of my girls. So I downsized to 90% and that worked perfectly. Now, once I was done, I realized, oh, these would make great bookmarks if we cut them this way. Of course, we can fold them to make a card or to make a journal. They would look fantastic that way as well. And then I realized, uh-oh, I forgot to distress my page. So not quite done. So I brought in my inks and I distressed it. But what do you guys think? Very different from what I normally do. Very colorful, and I really enjoyed the challenge of having to once again step out of that comfort zone. You know, I know my colors. I know I love my vintage and my grunge and even my steampunk. So this was definitely a step way out there, and I am so glad for the challenge because, you know, not all of them are going to be our favorite, but the point of the exercises is to grow and to step out there and try different things and mix and match and use the products that we have. Of course, you guys know, if there's anything that you need, just reach out. You always have our email and of course both of our online stores down below. So feel free to reach out. Now I'm going to take this extra copy and I'm going to cut it to show you the bookmarks. And so I got 3 bookmarks out of it. Aren't they so pretty? Of course, I'll have to distress them and add an eyelet and all kinds of stuff. And then I've got this super beautiful one that, of course, I can turn into a journaling card or a tag or another bookmark as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have crafted along or that you are inspired to create as well. Please be sure that if you've enjoyed the video to give us a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it, and leave a comment down below. Let us know. Are you playing along? Do you want to play along? Don't forget to use the hashtag if you do. And again, any of the products in this video plus thousands more are available on the online stores. We have 2 stores, spectrumartcreations.com and the Etsy store, Spectrum Art Creations. Better yet, join us for our live sales on YouTube. Those are fun, and we do a whole lot of different games. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram and to check out and join our Facebook group, Spectrum Art Creation Friends, where you can post your makes and of course meet a whole bunch of friends. Also, if you're interested in receiving more exclusive content such as classes and workshops, make sure that you check out Spectrum Art Creations Academy, where we upload every month new videos and do private lives and all kinds of other fun little extras that are exclusive. So make sure you guys check that out as well. If you haven't already done so, please make sure that you ring the bell and of course subscribe to the channel for so many more videos as well as other content. Thanks so much for joining us today. You guys have a great one. Bye!